The Harris Center's mission is to transform the lives of people with behavioral health and IDD needs. It's short but very impactful. The Harris Center traditionally has served outpatient mental health services, crisis residential services. We have providers at the Harris County Jail, outreach services. So we've always had these different levels of mental health treatment services, but there's always been this missing component of wraparound supportive housing services, and that's really what this complex is about. It's providing that supportive living environment where the entire complex, all 26 units, every single person who lives here has a mental health diagnosis, and they all live at that nexus of needing that additional support of somebody like Community Health Choice and the Harris Center so they can get that ticket to a better life.
Life Ready is an internal program created by Community Health Choice. What we're doing is we're developing a program that acts as a second chance for individuals who were recently incarcerated. The goal is to lower recidivism rates by giving people a foundation to restart life on. Statistics show that about 85% of individuals who are recently incarcerated go back to incarceration when they don't have housing within the first 15 to 30 days. That rate actually drops down to 45% when they do have housing. So it just shows that stability is important because it's hard to make a change when you're focused on survival.
It's a basic necessity. If you know of Maslow's hierarchy, food, clothing, shelter, without safe and secure housing, you really can't do anything else. If you don't know where you're gonna lay your head, at night, it's kind of difficult to focus on anything else. That's the biggest impact that we can make because it's a basic necessity. Housing is healthcare, and the people that live here, we don't envision them to live here for 30 years. We want them to get better and get the skills that they need and acquire the resources and skills and employment and the stability that they need with their mental health, with their physical health, so they can move on from this. This is a stepping stone.
It gives them a solid place where their mail can come to, they can have an address, somewhere that they can come back to learn skills and develop what they need to actually be in the workforce and be competitive in the workforce. My job here is to empower them with skills that they can use even after the program is over with.
It's beautiful because we both have similar missions and we both serve similar populations, and so we are here to serve the most in need in Harris County, and y'all are here to serve the most in need in Harris County. So why don't we come together and serve them together through Community Health Choice, through the Harris Center, through us working together. It helps move them along a little bit faster than you working in your own bubble and us working in our own bubble, not knowing that we're both working with this person at the same time. By doing it together, we can move forward a little bit faster.
It's a great partnership. We've been working with the Harris Center on numerous of different projects. This one is actually perfect because they actually did the build out for this program, for this housing program, and which is perfect for our members because we do serve similar members, people with disabilities or any kind of barriers in life. So us working together is kind of like a dream team that's coming together because we come with the medical side, they come with the mental health side and the physical side. And this unit that they created now is kind of like a central location which we can bring those skills together to make sure that our members are thriving in life.